Let's start the project. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the file, new project, select Java with Tent, Java application, click next. Here I'm going to specify the project name. If it is check main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I'm going to give the name here as age. Age, just age programming, something like that. I just give the name age program. You can give whatever name. Here my project is created successfully. Go to the source package, default package, new JFrame form. Here how to calculate it here is I'm going to give age. Frame also I'm going to name it as age. Successfully created the frame. Here what you are going to do is here first I'm going to drag the label. This label I'm going to change year find. Birth year find. Okay. Now let's right click properties. Increase the font a little bit bigger with bold. Going to increase the font a little bit like this. Or that I'm going to drag one panel. This panel also select this one, properties, border, bevel border, click OK, close it. Now here what I'm going to do is here I want to drag one label. This label I'm going to name it as age. You have to enter the age over here. Properties, bold 24. I'll drag the text field, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, properties, select the font with along with bold, click OK. Now what I'm going to do is if I enter the age, respective year should be displayed. So here I'm going to create here as you have to display the label. So label here, this is a label. I'm going to name here this is a label. This label also I'm going to name it as year, birth year. I want to this one properties for with bold. Take this size little bit like this. Like that. To Java birth year file. Java birth year file. Simple program. Click on it. Okay. After that, the design will be over. Now let's move into the coding part. Select this frame. Select this one. Go to the source code. Control left to find option. UI here. Click OK here. Matter. Select again the frame, properties, code, generate center, close it. Now let's run the application, check it. It's coming successful. Okay, now I'm going to write the code. So I want to put one button. This we have to name it as find. Okay. Now right click, event, action perform. Here you have to write the code here as simply you have to first what I'm going to do is I want to equal into the button the text box into the respective text. What is the age you are entering? I want to store it the variable. So I'm going to click here. Age we have to write it here as how to write it here. First you have to look at the age. So you have to write int age equal integer dot parseInt. You have to write here txt age dot, there's a property called, what is it, text or what is this? Okay, sorry, we haven't changed the name. Txt age, this one I haven't changed the name. Txt label, txt birth, something name we have to give. Sorry, lb, this is a label, so lbl, this is a label. Okay, this is text box. lbl label, lbl birth. Then only we can identify the text box. Txt age get text. For the text you entered here, it is assigned to this variable. Now what you are going to, I'm going to test out if age is less than 0, age not be less than 0, okay, 0, or you use lower operators. Okay, there's a pipe symbol. Up of the enter key. Okay, top of the enter key. You can find out the hold on shift key and find the pipe symbol. Age greater than 150. Oh, this is a condition. Okay, if the age is less than or age is, this is the one of the, at least one of the condition is true, only we will be able to go here and you have to write here open and close curly bracket. Here write txt date dot txt lbl date, lbl birth, right? This one. So copy this, lbl birth dot set text please enter the valid. You have to write here enter the valid age. Okay, if you can't enter the age below 0 or up above 150. Okay, consider. Okay, so if it is correct, go to the else part, write it down, int the current age, current year equal, we have a Java as a property called year dot now. This is the we first we have to write this function. After that we implement the namespace for it. Get well. Okay, don't worry. Here, click on it. Click on the bulb symbol. Import Java time. This is a library where it is decided this year. Okay, this is the current year that will be getting. Okay, after that you have to write the int birth year equal current year minus it your age means this age. That's it. After that it will be displayed here set text you have to write it here, you were something, you were born in you were born in you were born in plus your birth year. This birth. That use a concatenate operator to it. That's it. Let's check on it. Now my age is 39. Find it. You were born in 86. Okay. Now my age is 21. You are born in 24. My age is 23. You are born in 22. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Now my age is 24. I born in 21. My now age is 26. I born in 99. Okay. This are where we have easily find the things. Very simple. Okay. I hope you guys you understood the thing so far well. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.